Hello students, now we'll discuss the topic of 9th class called converting the numbers in the form of p by q. Any number we can convert in the form of p by q. What is the meaning of p by q? Is rational numbers. Any number you can convert in the form of rational. Suppose if I take an example 2. 2 is any number, you can say natural number or whole number or integer. You can convert in the form of p by q, that is you can write as 2 by 1. So similar to that, any number we can write in the form of p by q. Suppose if I take any suppose this is a 2 is a, we can say it is a natural number, it is a whole number, it is a integer. Any rational number in the sense 3 by 5, it is already in a p by q form, no worries. So we have natural number, whole number, integer, and this is a rational number. Any number we can write in the form of p by q. Suppose if we ask us to find out an irrational number, any irrational number, if I take example of irrational number, what we say irrational number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. Suppose if I take 0. Suppose there is a number called 0.3 bar. What is the meaning of 0.3 bar? 0.3333 and so on. It is not stopping. So like these numbers also we can convert in the form of p by q, that we are going to do here. But before that, so what is our target is conversion of an irrational number in the form of p by q, that we are going to find out. See, I have taken an example 0.63 bar, that is the 0.636363 and so on. Here you have to know these two words. What is that? Period. What is the meaning of period? The numbers repeating in decimal places. This is decimal point. After decimal point there exist some digits which are repeating. So here what are repeating? 6 and 3 is repeating. We call them it as period. What are period here? 6 and 3, or you can write 3 and 6. Similar that periodicity. After decimal point, how many digits are repeating? How many? Here what digits are repeating? Periodicity in the sense how many digits. Here number of digits repeating is 2. See here 63. So if I say separately 63 are repeating, then it is called period. Periodicity, number of digits repeating, that is called periodicity. Here periodicity is 2. Based on that we will find out. See how to write. So our target is, aim is convert 0.63 bar in the form of p by q, in the form of rational number we are going to convert. How will we write? See here. So how to write? This is one of the most important. See, let x is equal to 0.63 bar. That implies x is equal to 0.63 bar. Can I write as 0.63 63. You can take any digits. I'll take a few, only 2 or 4. So I'll take here 6. No problem. You can take only 4, or you can take only few also. Now here we'll write. Here these are the most important steps you have to write for every problem. Period is equal to 6 comma 3. So periodicity equal to how many digits are repeating here? 2. Since you will have to write this step, since periodicity is equal to 2, so multiply, I'll make it as this is equation number 1, multiply equation 1 by 100. Why you have to multiply? Since periodicity is 2, we will multiply with 100. If periodicity equal to 1, then we will multiply with 10. If periodicity is 2, we will multiply with 100. If periodicity is 3, we will multiply with 1000. So based on number of digits, we will multiply. You remember these points. Now come here. Since periodicity is 2, so we will multiply equation 1 by 100. Equation 1 this one, so we will multiply with 100 on both sides. 100 into x is equal to 100 into 0.6363 and so on. So 100x is equal to, if for 2 zeros, that is decimal point will move 2 places right side, then it will 63.6363 and so on. This is equation number 2. I have equation 2, I have equation 1. So how I got equation number 2? I multiplied with 100. Now what I will do is, this is the most important, 2 minus 1, equation 2 minus equation 1. So equation 2, what is that? 100x is equal to 63.6363 and so on. X is, equation 1 is x is equal to 0.6363 and so on. Remember, these decimal points should be in order. Then you have to do the subtraction here. 100 minus x, 99x equal to, so after decimal point all the digits are same. You have to make sure that you will write all the decimal points should be the same. So you will get 63. That implies 99x is equal to 63, x is equal to 63 by 99. If possible, do the cancellation. There is no mandatory that you should do the cancellation. If possible, if we get the cancellation part, you can do it. So 9 7s are 63, 9 11s are 11. X is equal to 7 by 11, which is in the form of P by Q. What is x here? What I have taken x here? Starting I have taken one value. See here, I have taken x is equal to 0.63. Therefore, here 0.63 bar equal to how much I got? 7 by 11. So 0.63 is an irrational number. I have converted in the form of P by Q. So where P is equal to 7, Q is equal to 11. Like this you have to calculate. See here one more time, target is converting the numbers into form of P by Q. Any number we can convert in the form of P by Q. Our target here is we are converting an irrational number into a rational number. So for that we have checked these two values. What are the period and periodicity? Period, numbers repeating in decimal places are called period. What are repeating, that they are called period. How many numbers are repeating, they are called periodicity. Here number of digits are repeating is 2. We have taken it as. Now see here, convert 0.63 bar into form of P by Q. What I have taken, let x equal 0.63 bar. I have opened this value. Period I have calculated, periodicity I have calculated. Since periodicity is 2, so I have multiplied equation 1 by 100. So what I have done, so equation 1 has been multiplied, then 2 minus 1 I have done. This is the common procedure for every problem. See. Okay, hope you guys understood.